Hello friends, in this video I will show how to type square brackets with your keyboard, and I will show you shortcut keys for square brackets. So easy and simple way you will find square bracket symbol on your keyboard. Almost near enter key. So without shift you can type this square bracket. Second method, open on screen keyboard and here is the square bracket. Keep your cursor and press this key. With shift you can type curly bracket, and with number 9 key you can type this opening and closing bracket. Shortcut key for square bracket, press and hold Alt key and 9-1. So 9-1 and 9-3. Alt plus 9-1 9-3. And if you have not numeric keypad on your keyboard, and if you not have numeric keypad, so press Fn key plus F11 to activate numeric keypad on your simple keyboard. Fn plus F11. M for 0, JKL for 1, 2, 3, UIO 4, 5, 6. And to type 7, 8, 9, you can use their number keys. So press Alt and long press 9-1. Alt plus 9-1. So turn on numeric keypad, Fn plus F11. So this is the method you can write square bracket. So this is the method you can write square bracket. And another way, open any web browser and search square bracket. So in the search result you will find copy and use anyway in your document. Or anyway you can use this square bracket. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you.